In this tutorial, we will be learning how to use the split method in Python. The split method is used to split a string into a list of substrings based on a specified delimiter. Here, we have a string hello, world. We are using the split method to split the string wherever there is a comma. The output of the code will be a list of substrings, hello, world. As you can see, the split method split the word hello and world into two separate strings and a list of strings. Now let's see how to use the split method without a delimiter. In this case, the string is split based on whitespace. Here, we have a string. This is a sentence. And we are using the split method without a delimiter. The output of the code will be a list of substrings. This is a sentence. That's it. Now you know how to use the split method in Python.